So my darlings, this is what we're having for dinner tonight. Sorry I already started. Forgot about filming. This is a breast of one big breast of chicken that I did in the air fryer, and I'm just cutting it into like pieces like this, and then I will show you what I'm going to be doing with it for dinner tonight. So this is going to be a super easy dinner tonight, and remember I'm only cooking for two, myself and my hubby. And if you have a bigger family, obviously, like I said, I only used one big huge chicken breast there that I cooked up. You'd have to cook up more breasts of chicken for however people you have in your family. Chopped up some red peppers, shredded some lettuce, and I grate my own cheese. I've always grated my own cheese, and it just tastes fresher than buying it already pre-done. So I have a tortilla wrap here, and I have cut it just this far. I've shown you how to do this before, and you've probably seen this done before. This isn't anything new. And I put some sour cream down, and got my pan with a little bit of olive oil, and I'm just gonna put the stuff on here. So I'll come back. There I have it on the pan. I haven't done this in a while, so I don't know if I did that quite right, but that's what it's looking like. So here it is, my darlings. Here's the finished thing. I'll have to learn how to do that again, but you got the idea. Anyways, it's really good. And you could put, like, if you wanted to dip your favorite sauce, like you could dip this into your favorite. You could dip this into your favorite sauce if you wanted to, like on the side. But I'm just do it like this because there's already, sour cream and stuff inside. So.
And it tastes wonderful.
Good.
Good.
Hope you're having a great night. And that's what's for dinner tonight.
Yeah.
Here's what we're having for dinner tonight. Well, what I'm going to have for dinner tonight. I made my hubby a different meal because he's not really keen on this kind of. This is a salmon and my salads that I always make. And so this is what I'm having for dinner tonight. And I made some craft dinner for hubby with some bread and carrots. Bread and carrots there. So my darlings, here's what we're having for dinner tonight. And I haven't made this in a very, very long time. It's nothing new, but like I said, I haven't made it in a very long time. We're going to be having Manwich, Sloppy Joes, and that's what you're looking at here. I grounded some ground beef, and then cooked it up, the ground beef up, and then put the sauce on it. And there's the sauce, and we've got some hamburger buns here that I'm going to use. And I like to, this is my little secret, I don't know, I like to put a little bit of sour cream on the bun. So I'll show you when I got it plated up. So I just quickly want to show you, I just put a little bit of sour creams on the inside of the bun. I heated these buns up, and I'm just going to put them on the top like this. Move them around. Obviously this is going to be a messy dinner, but you know what would go really nice with this? A really nice fresh garden salad. Get the freshest vegetables and lettuce and everything. Or even a nice fresh veggie plate would go well. Obviously, this is what we're having. It's kind of later in the night. We're having kind of a late dinner tonight, so we're just making these sloppy joes. But like I said, a nice fresh salad would be awesome with this. So, good. There's my sloppy joes. Easy peasy. So my darlings, here are my shrimp nachos that I made for my lunch. Good. Can't wait to dig in. So, I'm here cleaning up after dinner. This is a casserole dish. And you see all this. I could never get this off. But, it came to me that Mr. Clean. Using Mr. Clean and it's taking it right off. I'll show you. This is amazing. Look at it. It's coming right off. And this is what the little piece I use. It's kind of gross, but that's all coming off, so I'm going to use that. So if you have anything, this is stoneware, just so you know. Stoneware, you can use a magic eraser on it. Maybe you already knew that. I didn't, and now I do, and I'm going to have this all back to being awesome. Here's my chicken salad for my lunch today, my darlings. Just romaine lettuce with some orange bell pepper, a little broccoli, and I just cooked up a breast of chicken, and I kind of butterflied it, and then I put on some buffalo sauce on it with some oregano and ground pepper and salt, and a little bit of parsley, and put it in the air fryer, the chicken. And I put a little bit of lemon juice on the lettuce and a little bit of Caesar salad dressing, and and a little bit of Parmesan cheese. And this is my lunch for today. Good. So my darlings, this is hubby's brunch, I guess you would say, because it's late. It's almost noon, so it's breakfast lunch. It's toast with the rest of our sloppy joe. I put sloppy joe down on the toast, and then I put the egg and the cheese and then the bacon. So that's what he's having. And I will have it too, but I'm not having the toast. I'm just having 2 pieces of bacon and 2 eggs with the last little bit of the sloppy joe mixture. Good. Well, we hope it's good. I've never had the sloppy joe mixture with eggs. I thought it would be good. So my darlings, here's what a late night dinner, what we're having for dinner for late night. Robert's already got his. And I don't know if you can see, it's like Popeyes. Ordered from Popeyes, I got delivered. And I got some fries and a fish burger, and it came with a drink. And I actually got the platter, so when you get the platter, you get to order like two sides. So I got the fries, and I also ordered the mac and cheese. I gave the mac and cheese to hubby, and then they also had a deal that if your meal was over like $15, which was like 17 something with the mac and cheese, I was able to get another. This is a fish burger, flounder burger or something like that, and so I got a free one for him. So he's having the flounder burger and the mac and cheese. So there's a little meal for him. So those are the Cajun fries, and here's the flounder fish burger here, and it does have pickles. And then I also got the drink, and like I said, the mac and cheese came with this, but I gave it to hubby, so he has a little meal for himself as well. He was so surprised. So my darlings, we're having hamburger helper tonight. I haven't made this in a very long time. It's the cheeseburger, macaroni, hamburger helper. And this is what it's turned out to be. Good. So here's what I'm having for my lunch, my darlings. I made a broccoli Caesar salad, but it's just made out of like broccoli. I cut the broccoli, washed it, and then chopped it and put it in the frying pan just to fry it up a little bit. And then I added, there's some female bacon in there. I did put some shrimp, and then just like your Caesar dressing, and I grated up some cheese on there. And so I'm gonna take so you can see what it looks like. You can't really see. See, it is broccoli salad. A broccoli Caesar. That is good. So give that a try, my darlings. Very easy to do, and yet so yummy. Good. And thank you for joining me here on another episode of What's for Dinner Tonight, my darlings. Or lunch. I hope you get some ideas from the video, and I love having you all here. If you're new here, we'd love to have you. Subscribe, and if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. That would be great. And just thank you. I appreciate each and every one of you. And remember what I always say. Believe in yourself. I believe in you. And you truly will go far. Toodaloo for now, my darlings. Thank you so much. Toodaloo and happy eating. Toodaloo.